YouTube squad, what's up? Today we are going to talk about the GA analysis that we dropped in the group chat yesterday. We caught about 50 pips together on just one trade, and it was a 1 to 3 risk reward. If you're not in this group chat, join right now. It's first link in the description. It's completely free. We're dropping value all the time, going live. So right now we're just going to go over that trade. So here's exactly what had happened, okay? So we have this high right here on GA, all right? And we began to make a trend line. We came down here, broke this lower low, all right? So we had a low right here. Now we began to make a lower low, all right? And this is on the 4 hours, so it's a pretty high time frame. And then we began to make this trend line. Right here, we bounced off this lower low, came back up here, made another lower low, retested this. So it was a break and retest. All we did, we entered about like right up here. Drop down to the 1 hour. We entered right here, all right? And this wick almost stopped us out, but we dropped down here, took take profit down here. And obviously this is a major zone. If you go to the 4 hour, we had some solid rejection right here. So that right here was a pretty much an engulfing, a continuation candle, and then almost a railroad, you know, where it engulfs that candle too. So that didn't happen. We just had a solid retest that came down to the 1 hour. If you saw it, retest this zone and dropped again. So we caught that, and nobody should even be stopped out, even if they're still in the trade, if they're still holding it. It's still looking solid. Obviously, we've made that lower low. We did retest it and didn't break it. So I wouldn't really be in this trade anymore whatsoever. Unless right now we would be coming back down here. I need another engulfing candle that closes below here, or we get a breakout above this zone and it retested, right? So we caught this trade yesterday. We're just going to continue to follow it. So what this is market structure, right? And the market structure is going to show you your support and resistance zones. It's going to show you your trend lines, everything. You don't need an indicator. It's complete price action. So that's why it's so powerful. Market structure, higher high, higher low, lower high. That is going to show you what you need to see, and you're going to be able to see market structure very clear. And really it's straightforward. Okay, so you just mark it up, the turning points, right? The higher highs, higher lows, etc. And then you drop it down to the 1 hour. You go into the candlestick structure and you see what's going on. You enter in the lower time frame, etc. So that's exactly what we did yesterday. Pretty straightforward, none of that talk. That is, if you do this, it's going to happen. Everyone trades different, right? So this is just how I trade. This is how I like to mark up my charts. Take what you want from it. Join my Telegram. We're dropping a lot of value in there. This trade was in there. So let's run it. Thank you, guys.